Hey eBay sellers, it's Suzanne A. Wells, and I wanted to give you another freebie from my premium content library. This is an ongoing series called What Is It and How Much Does It Sell For? So you can see there are several episodes there already, and the point of this series is when you're in the thrift store and you see something like this shelf with just all this cluttered stuff on it, everything all mixed together. And a lot of those items you may not even know what they are, or what they do, or what they're called, or how much they sell for. So, this series is to help you identify commonly seen gadgets, thingamajigs, whatchamacallits, stuff that maybe you've seen but you don't know what it does or what it is. And so the next time you go to the thrift store, garage sale, estate sale, and you see that thing, you'll know what it is and if it's worth buying. So educational in nature to help you learn more about what's out there and be able to recognize it quickly. So let's get into your free sample. Hey eBayers, welcome back to another episode of What Is This and How Much Does It Sell For? So here's the item. Maybe you've seen this, maybe not, but what is it? It's a product called Yoga Toes, and you may think this is for doing a pedicure, painting your toenails, but that's not what it's for. It is a squishy, rubbery, very flexible silicone toe separator. And as you can see from the picture here, it's actually recommended by podiatrists for several different foot problems or pain in the feet. Bunions, cross toes, hammer toes, women that wear pointy toed shoes that constrict the foot and can actually cause deformities in the bones of the feet. And these are not cheap. Let's take a look at their website just to show you what these go for retail prices. $36, 36, 36 again. And then the sets that have extra things with them up to $54.95. That's actually on sale from the regular price of $58.85. So I'm not sure what's the whole set here includes. Let's take a look at that just in case you find it. A travel tote and organic purifying spray, because I guess these get gross because you're putting them on your feet. But you may find the whole set. People buy stuff all the time with the intentions of using them and they don't. So this is the kind of thing you might find at an estate sale, garage sale, or just at a thrift store. It just blows me away what people pay for these funky little products that we've never heard of. If we check completed listings on eBay, we can see what these are selling for. I've put in the keywords yoga toes and excluded the words socks, sandal, and shoes because it was pulling up some items that were not relevant to this product. These are sorted in descending order, highest price plus shipping to lowest. And so we can see the first item there, new yoga toes for men, sold for $79 with free shipping. And the men's sizes are bigger, so they do sell for more. That one seems to be an outlier because now if we go down to the next one, we see $45.10 for the yoga toes for men. The next one is $44.45, and then we go on down to a different color, and these are called yoga toes gems. They have these little circular nubs here that your toes fit very snugly in between. These sold for $36.95. Here's another one that went for $36, and you can just go on down the list here. I have found them in the plastic container, brand new, so maybe somebody got it as a gift and then donated it, or they just never used it, or they thought it was too weird, or whatever. But I have seen these several times mixed in with the junk in the back at Goodwill and didn't really know what they were and investigated it and found out, wow, this is a pretty cool thing. Easy to ship, easy to photograph, and lightweight, so your shipping costs can be really low for your buyer. So it's not one of those super complicated, breakable things that is a pain to ship. Very easy. So just going down the list here, you can see there's some around the $25 mark, and then we get into the pre-owned ones that are a little bit less than $20 and on down the list. So who knew just this little strip of rubber silicone foot product thing was actually a great seller. So you get the idea on that. So again, the product is Yoga Toes. Look for that, and now you know what it is. Thanks for watching. Bye.